Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to check the health of your system memory on your Windows computer using the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. This is a utility that will go ahead and scan if your RAM is faulty. So it's not actually going to fix your RAM, but it'll tell you if you have an issue. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to use it. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it, and we're going to start off by opening up the little search icon down in the system taskbar. Type in Windows Memory Diagnostic. Best result should come back with exactly that. Go ahead and open it up. Check your computer for memory problems. Memory problems can cause your computer to lose information or stop working. Select the Restart Now and check for problems recommended. Save your work and close any open programs before restarting. Go ahead and select that. Okay, so now that you're back in Windows here, go ahead and open up the magnifying glass that says search on the taskbar. Type in Event Viewer. Best result should come back with Event Viewer. Go ahead and open that up. You want to now go on the left side here and expand Windows Logs. Go double click on that. And then there should be something that says System. Right click on it. And you want to select the Find button. You want to search for Memory, Diagnostics, -- results, and then select Find Next. Should be right at the top anyway here. And we can go ahead and just close out of here because you can see it right here. Let's go double click on the first one. You can see it detected no errors, and you can also see it just by highlighting over it too. So pretty good here. No problems were detected. That's what we want to hear. And like I said, pretty straightforward. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.